Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Crunchyroll update stuck on waiting or refusing to show up in the App Store at all? Here's how to force it through. First, open your App Store and tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then pull down on the screen to force a fresh refresh of available updates. Then look for Crunchyroll in the list and tap update if it appears. If the update is stuck on waiting, tap and hold the Crunchyroll icon on your home screen. Then tap pause download, then tap it again and then tap resume download to restart it. If it keeps on failing, go to your settings, go to iPhone storage and confirm you have enough free space. Since updates fail silently when storage is too tight, free up space by offloading unused apps and retry. Also try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data in the settings if download keeps stalling, since updates carry important stability fixes according to Crunchyroll's own support guidance. So all you gotta do is go to the App Store, pull to refresh, browse and resume if stuck, free up storage and try mobile data, Crunchyroll updates, and that's it. Subscribe.